Look what I got. It's a box truck. Yeah. Didn't expect this, did you? Alright. So what you're going to do is you're going to stay on the front portion of the car, and while it's moving, you're going to mantle. You're going to go ahead and mantle that, and it should flip the truck. Let me see if I can do it. Come on. Nothing. Oh shit, no. Fuck, no. No, don't do this shit to me again. Damn it. I was so close. No, come back. Hey, buddy. Whoa. Alright. Let's settle a deal here, alright? Let me climb on top of you. And let me shoot you. What? You fucking kidding me? You're gonna get out in the friggin' run? Do you know how fucking hard I work to get these box trucks? Ah, yes. Hey, cops, you're gonna fuck it up. Leave me alone. You fucking kidding me, you bitch? Fuck you! Whoa, no. Fuck you! Motherfucker! You kidding me, right? You fucking kidding me? Box truck. Please turn this way. Gosh dang it. I don't have any frickin' car. The light's probably gonna turn green. Yep. Oh wait, it's turning. Come here. Stop.
Stupid dick.
Yeah. Box truck.
Oh shit, man.
There you go.
I'm getting the police now.
No. Fuck you! Motherfucker! Get your ass back here! You bitch! Motherfucker! Why do I keep getting wanted motherfucking levels? Damn it! I just want a fucking box truck, for crying out loud. Fuck you, cops! No. Fucking leave me alone. I see you. Leave me alone. You bitch! Motherfucker! You kidding me? I went through all that shit just to fucking fail. Damn it! I dare you, run me over, you bitch. You motherfucker. Come on, bring it. Bring it. Huh? Is that it? You want more? Fuck you. Fuck you, bitch. No. No. You don't kill me. I kill you. Motherfucker. You stay the fuck away from me. You come near me, I shoot you. Fuck you. You fucking bitch. What do you want, Simeon? You back from hell to talk to me again?
Don't forget to bring me some cars on the car list. Get out there and find them.
Fuck you. Well, for the few times that I tried to flip the truck, I'm not even gonna fucking mess with it anymore, because I tried flipping it and it wouldn't flip. Instead, my guy decided to be a fucking asshole and run off the side of it. So, I'm fucking done here. I'm not doing this shit. Because every time I try to do it, GTA is like, fuck you. And I'm like, no, fuck you. And I shoot pedestrians. Fuck this game.